Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a Nintendo Switch, FIFA 22 and Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. I'm going to be unboxing all three items. Let's get into it. Hope you enjoy this video. First we will do the Nintendo Switch, so I'll just move these games out of the way. This is the normal Nintendo Switch with the neon joystick controllers. That is it open. Opening the screen on the Nintendo Switch. It has a Nintendo Switch written on the back and a stand to place the Nintendo on a table. The right neon red Nintendo Joy-Con. And the left neon blue Nintendo Joy-Con. The game card slot on the Nintendo Switch screen. The headphone jack. The volume control buttons. The power button. At the bottom, the USB-C charger port. And the stand, which reveals a micro SD card slot to access more storage for the Nintendo. Lift this up and you have your information for connecting to TVs, etc. The HDMI lead for connecting to TVs. USB-C charging cable, a Nintendo Switch controller for playing on the TV, these are for sports games on the Nintendo Switch, and there's the other one, and this is the main dock for the Nintendo Switch. With this you can connect to a TV. I will set it up and then resume the video. Now the Nintendo Switch is all set up. It also recognizes the color of the Joy-Con as shown there. Red and blue. In the back of the main dock, you have a USB-C port for charging it, USB-A port for connecting the USB, and the HDMI out port. This is the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe game card. Opening FIFA. this is the FIFA 22 game card. Putting the FIFA 22 game card in. And there is FIFA 22 Legacy Edition. Taking it out, just push it down once and it's out. The Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, putting it in, trying it, and the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe has come. Taking it out, push it in, and the game card is out. Overall, the Nintendo Switch is built to a pretty high quality. The Joy-Cons feel pretty comfortable to hold. If you were going to buy this product, I would say get the upgraded battery edition, as it increases the amount of time you can play for. It is up to you though. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment anything you'd like to see me unbox or review next, and I'll see you next time.